today there was civil services pre-paper, and there was large number of questions from the section of science and technology and international relation. 10 or 15 days ago, I predicted that there will be the repetition of themes from the question paper of geoscientist NDS CDS, which were conducted in 2025, and the same thing took place on 2025 May civil services paper, because repetition of theme is the nature of UPSC examination. And I would like to tell you that those who have really followed the Hindu and Indian Express wholeheartedly throughout the year, their performance is going to be fabulous, and they are going to qualify the civil services pre-paper of 2025 with flying color. There is no doubt in it, because line to line questions were from the Hindu and Indian Express science and technology page, explained page, line to line. Means I can dare to say that in the civil services pre-paper, more than 25 questions or more than 30 questions are from my notes. Means if in civil services paper, if the questions are from your notes, that too line to line, it really matters. It is the matter of achievement. It is the matter of and it showcases your analytical skill, that how you have analyzed the paper, and how you have planned your strategy for its preparation, and how you have designed your line of action for the preparation of pre-stage. So this is the reaction video. I would not say that paper was very tough. It is from easy to moderate for those who have really prepared for this prestigious examination. And obviously, being updated with the current happening, especially be in touch with, if someone is in touch with the Hindu and Indian Express type of newspaper, then obviously his or her performance will be upgraded and elevated, and he will be benefited a lot from that content, that creamed content, I would like to say here. So best of luck for those who are really scoring good in this pre-paper. And without wasting time, start preparing for next stage, that is mains paper. Here at the last, I would like to say that there was high weightage of science and technology, international relation, and there was high number of questions being asked from Indian Express, the Hindu, explained, and editorial page. So be stick with the best content. Don't run behind any monthly magazine or 360 or 365 or 368 369 type of current affair. Thank you.